to say that we make the things that you use every day better by providing equipment that does sizing separation. So it's your hammer mills, fine grinders, equipment like that you would see in bakeries, mining equipment, things like that. So service over the whole globe. So we have products in South America, Canada, Thailand, China. So we do travel all over for that. Been in business since 1925, started by Ralph Prater. It was third generation, and now it is still privately owned. We have about 60 employees. So I think it's a great tool. It's like a feedback tool for us. So, well, the reason I like the SIG is, first, I know the people that are part of it. You know, they're people just like me that have been down this path and they're going through similar issues or have already tackled certain problems. And so for me, I run into an issue, something simple like I'm just looking for a contractor or just looking for an attorney, something like that. I could send it out and pretty soon I've got a list of 5, 10 people or companies that everybody else already has experience with or recommended. So all these different sources, I was looking for a different IT source. I reached out to the SIG group, I came back with recommendations, and I'm actually switching this week because of the recommendations. So I use it because it's just a big group that we can go after, and instead of me trying to do all the research, I can rely heavily on them. And then also when someone else asks for a question, I can reach out and get what they got as far as responses. So I use it both ways. On the networking part, it's helped us, like me in particular, I'm not from the area. So I've only been here, now it's been a longer time, but I don't know all the different places and different resources in this area. And so by meeting the guys in the SIG group or in the different groups, it enables me to have, like where's a different kind of machine shop or whatever the different kind of resources are. It's also a good way to find out you're not alone.